Introducing 75F Smart VAV with Reheat. A unique system-wide approach to maximizing variable air volume with Reheat, delivering zone performance, energy efficiency, remote monitoring and control, plus predictive maintenance. 75F offers building intelligence in a box, a smart, quickly deployed, and cost-effective solution for improved control, efficiency, and performance in new or existing buildings. Typical VAV with Reheat systems have inherent inefficiencies when first cooling and then reheating the same air. In addition, most VAV with Reheat systems operate independently without system-wide sensing and understanding of loads. Recognizing this opportunity, 75F Smart VAV with Reheat increases energy efficiency using a combination of a new approach to VAV with a reheat system-wide sensing and orchestration between the RTU and the VAV controllers, plus our dynamic airflow balancing algorithm with continuous commissioning across zones, and our outside air optimization for free cooling when outside air is favorable. This innovative approach is enabling holistic system automation, eliminating energy waste associated with 55-degree target temperature treatment, efficiently using outside air and return air mixture ratio, intelligently using the RTU for supply air, minimizing heating element use, and verification for VAV reheat element performance by using pre- and post-temperature sensing. Let's consider this scenario. You're controlling 5 zones in a simplified building, with 4 peripheral zones surrounding 1 internal core zone. Let's say your desired temperature is 72 degrees across all 5 zones. Here are the current temperatures in each zone. The peripheral zones with external walls are cooler, so they require heating, and the core zone is a bit warmer at 73, requiring cooling. If the outside air is 60 degrees, traditional VAV systems will use a predetermined supply air temperature reset schedule to cool it to 55 degrees. The peripheral zones call for heating, so working with the 55-degree supply air, the VAV reheat elements heat to ASHRAE standards of 95 degrees to warm the room up to the desired temperature. That air then returns to the rooftop unit to be mixed with the outside air. Let's say the return air is 70 degrees and the outside air is 60 degrees. It will take 50% return air and 50% outside air to get a mixed air of 65 degrees, and then it will go through the compressor to get back down to 55 degrees, and the cycle starts all over again. If you are following along to all the temperature changes, you can immediately see that the traditional VAV systems are highly inefficient, with a total of 50-degree change. With the 75F Smart VAV with Reheat system, we add sensing and algorithms to assess the total zone demand and supply across the system. Now everything in this scenario will be able to communicate with each other. The 75F Central Control Unit, or the CCU, acts as the head of the system, leveraging cloud-based algorithms to predictively manage the system more efficiently, reducing the amount of cooling at the RTU compressor and heating at the reheat element, decreasing the total degree change and associated energy use. The concepts of dynamic airflow balancing and outside air optimization helps to distribute air to where it's needed and make more use of outside air to reduce cooling. 75F Smart VAV with Reheat solution senses the core load and understands other zone demands with the consideration of the supply air and outside air, plus all the zone's demands at once. The approach to mixed air is smarter too. Instead of taking the typical 50-50 return air and outside air, the system would recognize that it can use a higher percentage of the warmer return air. So a higher mixed air temp allows less heating at the reheat element while still cooling the core zone. Now that's what I call smart. Continuous commissioning means our automated system is always learning and improving to optimize your environment and your energy use. Real-time control and temperature data from each sensor is wirelessly transmitted to the cloud, where our intelligent algorithms work to create a thermal model of your building and maintain a comfortable environment, all while saving energy. 75F revisits the traditional morning warm-up approach with our dynamic airflow balancing solution to gradually warm up the building instead of traditional time-based heating schedule. We look at every zone's load, then balance the morning warm-up with incremental warming to reach targeted temperatures across the zones. While traditional VAV systems require extensive programming, 75F Smart VAV with Reheat is pre-configured out of the box, so installation is fast and easy with simple connections and pairing of wireless devices. When you're ready to install, you'll find these materials in the box: 75F Smart Node, pre- and post-reheat temperature sensors, and the optional VAV with Reheat damper actuator. Whether you oversee one or many locations, on-site or remote, our smart VAV with Reheat solution makes managing your buildings a breeze with the 75F Facilisight suite of web and mobile apps. Gain insight into your building's HVAC system across multiple brands of equipment, and even manage lighting too. View and adjust temperature set points, check system performance, and create custom schedules via the portal or mobile app, all for one pane of glass. Our global policy editor allows you to push updates to multiple locations with one click, making your workflow far more efficient. And the 75F Occupant app lets individual tenants tailor their space with zone-specific controls for temperature and lighting from their mobile phones. For more information on 75F Smart VAV with Reheat, click the link right now. Thanks for watching.